What's going on YouTube? This is your boy DeVintage, man, back on another video, and today you've seen the thumbnail and the title. We're going to be talking about these Air Jordan 1 White Royal Toes, whatever you want to call these joints. They very fire, man, and these have been a shoe that people been thinking that they were going to shock drop during the Last Dance documentary, but all they did was load the official images onto the Nike SNKRS app, and now today they gave people exclusive access to cop this pair of shoes, man. So if you're new to the channel right now, what you guys do is subscribe right now for your boy, hit the notification bell for your boy so you never miss another video that drops on the channel, and please smash that like button. I bring you guys all types of sneaker news, sneaker drops, shock drops, info, all that type of stuff on the channel. So like I said, if you're new, subscribe right now for your boy and smack that like button. If you don't mind, please head over to IG, give your boy a follow at DeVintage World. It'll be linked down below. So yeah, let's talk about these Air Jordan 1s, man. Let's get it. Alright, so yesterday they sent out the exclusive access thing onto the SNKRS app, and people was like, are they starting to sell them now? Is this something we might have to wait for another day or something like that? And it finally came out from the J23 app that it will drop 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, which is a weird time if you think about it. Usually all sneakers that drop onto the SNKRS app drop around like 9 a.m. my time, which is like 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So 11 a.m. Kind of weird. So people still like second guessing, like, hold on, is this for everybody? Is this for a select amount of people? So I went onto my app and I seen that it said exclusive access for me, but it kept saying coming soon. So this whole time I'm like, hold on, what is going on? I don't want this to happen to me again. There's been so many shoes I had exclusive access for, but something always was wrong, man. Something was wrong, like my card information. They would say it was like a fraud protection or something like that. It's something always weird around these exclusive access drops. But this one today, man, I was super successful on. Check it out, check it out. Your boy officially hit on the Air Jordan 1 Royal Toe, White Royal, whatever you want to call them, man. They super fire, and it most definitely gives me vibes of these joints that we got 2 years ago, the Game Royal ones right here. And of course you can see some resemblance with the Royal ones, man. So I'm about to add another pair, a spin-off of the Royal colorway. Royal on any ones, man, looks very fire. I'm gonna cop every single one of them joints, and like I said, today your boy was successful on copping these joints, man. I want to know who all hit in the comment section below. I know the resale on these guys was super high. Check on GOAT, check on StockX. These things are going for like 300 plus in all sizes. And this is why I would come to you guys today and saying they possibly might be limited, and this might not be an easy shoe to get. And you guys got to think about it. We have not got an Air Jordan 1 during this whole quarantine thing. So this might be one of the hardest cops to get manually on some of these apps like Foot Locker, Champ Sports, Eastbay, JD Sports, and all those different sneaker sites. It's going to be super hard to get. I think this exclusive access is going to set the bar for that price. And I only see it going up, and especially after this exclusive access drop. I know some people that did not get the exclusive access, some people didn't hit. So like I said, I can see people trying to hit people over the head with these resale prices. So you guys let me know if you think they might be limited in the comment section below. Do you think it's gonna be an easy cop? Me personally, like I said, they might be a little hard to get. It might be a little bit more on the limited side of things, and this is why I'm saying, like, this might be the most limited Air Jordan 1 we have gotten this year, man. We got the pine green ones, we got the Air Jordan 1 women's UNC Chicago's that dropped, and I'm trying to think of what other one that has dropped this year that was kind of hard to get. I think those are only two. Oh yeah, and then the Court Purple 2.0s. Them joints are super hard to get. I know you guys remember I did a live cop on them joints. A lot of people was taking L's. A lot of people had to wait on some restocks. People had to go to StockX. People had to go to GoDaddy. It was just a lot going on with that release. It's an Air Jordan 1. Everybody loves Air Jordan 1s. So of course it's going to be sort of hard to get, especially if you're trying to do it manually with these sneaker sites. But back to me copping these Air Jordan 1 White Royals. I think that's what they call. Oh, they call it the Royal Toes, my bad. So I went onto the app and it was kind of giving me a little trouble. I went onto it. It said I had no access on this shoe, so I had to clear the whole app. This is all right at 10 o'clock my time. I clear the app, I go back onto it, and I finally was able to put my size in and stuff like that. It was still giving me a little trouble. I was nervous. I'm like, oh, come on, I need this pair, I need this pair. You guys know I love Air Jordan 1s. And you know when you get these shoes, you gotta like hurry up and check out. So I went to go to my shipping to like change to 2-day shipping, but I accidentally hit my PayPal information. So I had to get off of that. I had to go back to the size, go to the shipping, and I had to scroll all the way down the shipping. You guys already know this, to get 2-day shipping, man. But the thing is, as soon as I hit complete order, I did my space scan and stuff like that, they told me I got them instantly, man. No waiting in line, no nothing. I was super excited. I can't even believe that happened to your boy. Usually it always puts me in line, or either I take a huge L on the sneaker. But that at least took me around 2 to 3 minutes tops on copping this shoe, and I was still able to get a 2-day shipping on top of me copping these Air Jordan 1 Royal Toes. So you guys stay tuned for a review and on feet on them joints. They're scheduled to be here May the 1st, which I think is what, Friday, I believe. I think it's Friday or Saturday, one of the two. So stay tuned for that early review and on feet. You guys know this upcoming Saturday, the Air Jordan 5 Fire Red. You guys know I doubled up on this pair. They will be releasing this weekend, May 2nd, I believe. Yeah, May 2nd, these joints release. So you guys stay tuned. I'm going to be doing a live cop with a couple other sneaker YouTubers on my channel. So have the notification bell on for your boys so we can all try to cop another pair together over these Air Jordan 5 Fire Reds. And then of course the next release after Air Jordan 5 Fire Reds will be the Air Jordan 1 Royal Toes, and then like the Flints is like way at the end of the month. But I don't know if you guys have checked it out. It's been a couple of sneakers that got their release date pushed back, but I'm gonna drop a separate video for you guys so we can talk about all the different release dates, what got pushed back, what I'm really anticipating for this upcoming summer, and I'm gonna get you guys' opinion on what you are liking for this upcoming summer as well. All right, so I gotta show y'all one more time, your boy DeVintage got the Air Jordan 1 Royal Toes, man. Super excited. Like I said, stay tuned for the review and on feet. I appreciate everybody for tuning into this video. Let me know down below if you copped a pair of these Air Jordan 1 Royal Toes. Let me know if you think they're gonna be limited, hard to cop. Let me know something down below, and make sure you smash that like button for your boy. Subscribe if you have not subscribed already to the channel, and ring the notification bell for your boy so you never miss another video. I got a couple unboxings that I'm still waiting to do. There's just so much stuff that's going on around the sneaker community. I gotta push those to the side and push out this information to the vintage game. I appreciate all of the support, and with all this being said, I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video, man. Peace.